Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Bybit to TradingView account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add Bybit, you need to go to the chart section. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom. Tap on it. In this chart page, you can see the three dots icon at the bottom right. Tap on it. Here you will find the connect broker option. So select that. Now scroll through the list and find Bybit. If you couldn't find it in this list, choose see all brokers option at the bottom. And here you can see more lists. You can see Bybit over here. Tap on it. Again tap on connect. Now it will prompt you to the Bybit login page. If you already have an account in Bybit, you can use that login credentials over here. You can enter your email address, your password, and you can log into your Bybit account. If you don't have any account, you need to sign up first. After you are logged into your Bybit account, you can follow all the instructions in order to connect your Bybit to TradingView. And that's it. That's how you can add Bybit to your TradingView account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.